On the scale of 1 to 10, how hard is it to date in Bangalore?
It's the easiest thing, I swear to God.
I showed her a message where a guy told me that he's gonna sponsor my whole trip.
But you should
You don't know how hard a guy's life is. You take 20 shots, you land one.
don't feel shy. I think guys actually like it.
I'm gonna be trolled.
Don't you think you deserve it?
Off and bring it around. Going at it till I'm on. Put that 90 in a hole, I'm beating it down. I'm back in that bag again.
I want both of you. Two girls are better than one.
My Instagram is Ramya Palaksha, guys. And this video is gonna get copyrighted.
What's your name?
Rishima.
Ramya.
Why are you guys roaming around with a QR code?
We're promoting
Her boyfriend cheated
my
on her.
ex. Shut the fuck.
Your boyfriend cheated on you. This says, let the world see cheater you truly are. Screw you, Rahul. Why Rahul? Why did Rahul do that?
Rahul, my love. I don't know.
Do you think there are too many Rahuls in Bangalore?
Yeah, there are too many Rahuls, Rohan, Varun,
Abhishek.
Abhishek.
That was very specific.
Abhishek. Abhishek was my class topper. Abhishek is a good boy. Yeah.
All those are red flag names is
Red
what you're
flag
saying.
names, yeah. Screw them. She wants
you
all
want
the
Aryan.
Rahuls and Rohits and Aryans, yeah.
Rahul, Rohit, Saryans, all the red flags. You are
She
attracted to
she's
red
a-
flags.
She's a red flag.
I'm
That's
the
why.
green forest that you can ever find on this earth.
Those kind of girls, stay away from them.
Yeah.
Who call themselves
Self-proclaimed.
who call themselves green forest. No. Okay, on the scale of 1 to 10, how hard is it to date in Bangalore?
It's the easiest thing, I swear to God. I feel like if you walk in Church Street left, right, you'll get your husband. For girls, for guys, it's very difficult. I must-
That's what I was gonna say.
So
Don't go by the words of
Yeah.
good-looking girls. They have a different. They live in a different world altogether.
Oh, me. To get, it's pretty easy.
I feel like, I think in general for girls, it's easier than guys. Guys have to, because the pool of guys are more. Even like on dating apps, it's like that. So I
She,
think.
she doesn't seem to agree.
No, they just go randomly approach any girl
she's
that's.
a red
If you're
flag.
talking about Church Street, they just come up to you out of nowhere, even though you're not your type. I'm like, even though they're not your type.
How would they know, Papa? They are just taking their shot.
I think they should just shoot their
Everyone,
shot.
with everyone.
You never know. I think everybody should.
You don't
shoot
know how
their
hard
shot.
a guy's life is. You take 20 shots, you land one.
Yeah. Take your shot.
I
Take
think
your
I
shot.
should start trying that, guys.
You do one thing.
You just have to stand there and people will come.
You do
Hold a
the.
board and be like, I'm single. Yeah.
No, you are a walking board. So don't have to do anything
No,
else.
people generally say I'm committed, but I'm not.
All the viewers, go shoot your shot, guys and girls both. Even girls should shoot their shot. Don't feel shy. I think guys actually like it. And yeah.
What is this?
She said lots.
If you had to change one thing about Bangalore dating scene, what would you change?
The guys here,
I'm new to Bangalore, so I don't know, guys.
Guys, everybody.
everyone.
I feel like there's a big hookup culture in Bangalore. I think
Right
people
now.
should search for true love.
Yeah. True love.
Are you guys on dating apps?
Not right now.
No, I'm not.
But you were.
Yeah.
How did that work out?
Boring. I download it whenever I'm bored, and I delete it when I'm bored.
So there are like some 30 guys waiting for your reply.
I've deleted.
No, actually. She's that girl who doesn't reply to the guys. And then they'll be like, hello, where are you? And then she'll be like, don't want.
Why would I randomly reply?
She's
a
that
guy?
girl. All the guys who text Ramya,
Guys, I'm an
I
old
know
school-
everything. Your DMs are out and open to the world. I have read all of them.
I'm an old school lover girl, so
Balls, nothing.
shut up. I am.
Are you one of those girls who screenshot and share it in the girls group?
Yeah, she's that girl. She's that girl. No respect.
So no. No.
Your
no.
dating pool is reducing by every answer.
Shut up. No, the thing is, I showed her a message where a guy told me that he's gonna sponsor my whole trip. Based on that, she's talking all this.
Yeah. Based on that.
Damn, do guys actually do that?
What?
No one is sponsoring any trips of mine. I'm not getting no. She's getting lots.
Probably you become a walking red flag. You'll
I will
get
also.
it.
Yeah, maybe that's the way. Yeah.
Bye.
Walking red flag. She's walking.
I'm gonna run away from this now. No, she's talked.
If you hate Ramya, hashtag hate Ramya Club.
Guys, this is too much.
Red flag. You should change your name to Red Flag Ramya.
Yeah, hashtag
I didn't even say anything. Any red flag.
Red flag Ramya.
Bye, guys.
Why are you behind the name Rahul? Why can't you put some other name?
Rahul, I feel like is a very. Most cheaters are called Rahul. I feel.
No, Rahul is a very common name. That's my point.
Yeah, that's why.
You guys came up with this marketing idea.
We copy.
Were you guys class toppers or were you copying others' answers as well?
No, I somehow got through
Backbenchers forever.
university. Yeah, backbenchers. That's why we're doing this, no?
Guys, I'm
Otherwise
not a
I'll
red
Google.
flag.
We have time for this.
Comment,
Working
support Ramya. Bye.
What's your Instagram ID?
Hashtag at unknown.
What the fuck?
And my name
That's all.
Ramya Palaksha. RAMYAPALAKSHAR.
So that is beeped because of reason, guys.
Yeah, good. Beep it.
Beep.
Even this one. No,
Subscribe to his YouTube channel.
Hey, so sweet. Yeah, please.
What is your YouTube channel called?
Good-looking girls ask, they
What
are-
is your YouTube channel?
It's Kiran Kumar YT.
Subscribe to Kiran Kumar YT.
I'm gonna be trolled. Because of you.
Don't you think you deserve it? Like somewhere, like, are you not that self-conscious?
By the way, whatever we've told her, everything is
All
lies.
jokes.
That's all. Bye.
I'm beating it down, I'm back in that bag again. Oh, whoa, oh, say less. I'm back in that bag again. Yeah. Oh, say less. I'm back in that. Yeah. What you doing? Yeah. I'm back in that. Hey.